What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Michael Franti and Spearhead journey. Get over and show the love. The Sound of Sunshine. I already feel like from this opening shot that this is probably going to be a happy kind of song. It's probably going to bring us up a little bit. Let's see what we got. Let's go on the journey. Shout out to Daniel for the request.
2, 3,
Listen, it already starts off like a happy song. The happiest song ever.
2, 3,
Summer's coming, baby. Summer's coming.
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today, and I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the time to win. So I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down.
Let's go. Give me my feels a little bit. Like, I don't know, this song makes me overly happy. People just need something sometimes. And this song is going to fall on people's ears at the right time. Make the most of it. It's not always going to be easy. It's not always going to be fun, but you can always find the beauty in it. Let's go.
Coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. So my friend Bobby said, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lend. I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see they could take away my job, but not my friends, you see.
Hey!
And here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Summer never ends with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends.
Yeah.
The sun's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing, and every single song needs a little releasing. The stereo bumper till the sun goes down, and I only want to hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down.
This is my wake up alarm tomorrow. I promise you that.
And that's the sound of sunshine coming down.
It's always sun above the clouds.
Now say you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. Sing, you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down.
To make you smile, I don't know what will.
When the sun goes, that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. When the sun goes down, when the sun goes down.
Yo, I'm behind the times. I've been asleep on Michael Franti. I have indeed. Get over so much the love of the world. Seriously, I'm behind the times here 5 years ago, but you know what? It might still be the happiest song ever. It just fills you with some sort of joy. That's what music in my mind is supposed to do. Fill you full of emotions. This one makes the damn day seem a little bit easier. Get over show Michael Franti, all the love of the world. If you haven't done so already, links in the description. Hit the like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one I'm either combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe, but let me to the moon, the back. Peace.